Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a good day. In this video, I will show you how to design and animate your text in the Odoo website builder. So the first thing we're going to do is drag and drop a simple section with the text. Next up, let's change the heading a bit. Now, one of the things you will notice is that when I switch the line, when I change the line, the design of the text here is different. Okay, so we have to first make sure that these texts match with each other. So this one has a header 2 and 64 font size. So let's do the same here. Now, another important thing, when you are changing the font size, make sure to select the text like this, because if you don't do that, it will only change the font size of the position of this writer. So go here, set to header 2, and let's set it to 65. Now they are similar. After that, let's make this text a bit beautiful. What I'm going to do first is select this word, the beautiful here, and change the font color. So for instance, I can make it like this and use the theme color. So it looks much better now. But we can further modify it, further add the visual candy by going to the highlight, and then you can select what type of effect you need. For instance, I like this one. This is good as well. And you can then change the color as well. And here you can decide the thickness of the line. You can further add more effect, like you can make it bold or italic, or we already have effect here, so the underline is not needed. The strike through is not needed as well. You can also add the background color. So you can, for example, add a background like this. You can also add custom color or a gradient in the background. So it's totally up to you what kind of effect you need. Now let's learn how to animate this text right here. And this is very important to learn because many people will find it hard. So make sure you pay the undivided attention. When you are animating the text in the Odoo website builder, first thing you need to do is treat them as different text. Okay, each line is different text. So select this, for example, and animate this first. We have on appearance and on scroll. So these settings decide when to animate the text, whether it animates on the appearance of the text or when you scroll your website. The effect here decide what type of effect you need, right? So let's use zoom in. Then the direction will decide the direction of the animation. Let's use in place. The trigger is when every time your website appears, the text appears in the viewport, you can use the trigger. Let's decrease the intensity, and this right here is the delay. Okay, so if you want to add the delay in the animation, you can use the start after, and the duration is the duration of the animation. So let's set it to 1.2 or 1.3 seconds. Do the same thing here. Select the entire text. And let's use the fade 1.2, and let's add a delay this time. Okay, so if you go to the preview now, It looks like this. Let's add some more delay, maybe 1 second. All right, so it looks like this. You also have another beautiful text element here, which is the text highlight. So it is another element in itself. You can create a full length highlight for your text elements and treat them just like this text right here. Okay, so this is another element you can use in the Odoo website builder. But yeah, this is how you can animate and decorate your text in the Odoo website builder. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.